Hi, I'm Aaron from IGL. Today's tip is the TH sound. Have you ever had trouble saying thanks? Not tanks, but thanks. You see, the TH sound is formed by placing the tongue in between the teeth. There are two ways to pronounce the TH sound: voiced and unvoiced. The voiced sound is made by vibrating your vocal cords. For example, the, this, that. Whereas the unvoiced TH sound is formed just by merely blowing air, and your vocal cords do not vibrate. Thanks, with, both. See if you can point out the voiced and the unvoiced TH sounds in this sentence. I thank my 3 brothers. Here it is again. I thank my 3 brothers. Write your answers in the comments below. Click here to subscribe for more free tips, and here to check out our website and all of our online classes. And of course, like and share this video.